462 new recruits added in August and September. Major organized crime and anti-corruption agency MOCA bill passed. 16% reduction in major crimes between January and August, and resources in place to improve operations. Some of the measures being enforced by the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF to protect and serve. The latest initiative of the JCF is the merger of its public safety unit, motorized patrol, and the Traffic and Highway Division. They're now part of the newly established Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, PSTEB.
The task of restoring public order and safety is a priority of this government. This is a branch that is designed to restore public order, create safe spaces for the wider community, and engage directly with our community members, dealing with traffic, vending, and general population in our public spaces, which means their whole approach is somewhat different from the traditional way.
The new branch consists of 700 members who have been trained in human rights, how to engage community members, and situational awareness, among others. They're being deployed to patrol business districts and town centers on foot, bicycle, bike, and motor vehicle. Assigned officers will be easily identified in neon yellow uniforms and motorcycles, similar to their counterparts in first world countries. The motor vehicles are also specially marked for high visibility.
And these are persons that will be strategically deployed to treat with any and every situation that requires the immediate attention of our police officers.
Under its road policing activities, PSTEB will focus on denying criminals the use of roadways by enforcing the law, reducing road casualties, tracking the threat of criminal gangs operating in public spaces, and enhancing public confidence and reassurance by patrolling the roads. As the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch carries out its duties, the objectives will begin to take shape.
We have to ensure our community members feel they can engage in a positive way the police force, bring the required information, evidence that we can lock down some of these characters and get them out of the way. The creation of this team indicates not only a reaction to the immediate situation, but the designing of a new division that will be in place on a long-term basis. So we're talking about sustainable policing activity.
As one branch, the unit will still maintain 3 divisions: public safety, highway and safety patrol, and traffic enforcement. A major reason for the establishment of PSTEB is to increase the visibility of the JCF. This mass presence will help to shape the behavior of citizens and reduce time spent by the police on the enforcement of law and order.
We need to be seen and be the go-to people for whatever concerns the public has on safety issues, on security issues, and I dare say, as our presence becomes more and more felt out there, the public will be coming to us for just about everything.
The rollout of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch has begun in Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine, and major resort towns, and will be expanded island-wide. PSTEB will be working with municipal corporations and other police units to restore general order in town centers and main thoroughfares.
I look forward to collaborating with the council on making sure that we align the things we do in terms of vending spaces and how we deal with public transportation in the city, and aligning what we both do to give better outcomes.
With headquarters in Kingston at the Elliston Road Police Complex, the new branch is expected to result in improved compliance with the Road Traffic Act, reduced crime in public spaces, and increased public support for the JCF.
I'm confident that we're moving in the right direction. Safety and the preservation of Jamaican lives is critical to our nation's sustainable development.
Where there's order, there's less opportunity for crime to take place.
So the JCF naturally is responding and continues to respond to the varying needs of our citizens, as overall we seek to improve and make better our business district, our corridors, thereby enhancing the overall safety of our people.